Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DC Study IQ. In this video, we are going to study how to find the square of a two-digit number. So let's start the video. So in order to find the square of 91, we can find it 1 square 1, 2 into 9 into 1, that is 18. We are writing 8, 1 balance, 9 square is 81, 81 plus 2, 82. So 91 square is 82, 81. Moving to next, 52 square. 2 square is 4. 2 into 2 into 5, that is 20. We are writing 0 and it carry forwarding to 25. 5 square is 25 plus 2, 27. So 52 square is 2704. If you are preparing for any competitive exam, you need to by heart at least up to 30 number squares. Okay, if you by heart up to 20 square, now it's time to by heart up to 30 square. Today itself you need to learn up to 30 number squares. Okay, now let's move to the topic, that is how to find the square of numbers. So for finding the two-digit number squares, we are using the equation x plus y all square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Come on, let's have a look how to solve the square of numbers. So here for example we are taking 84 and we are taking x equal to 8 and y equal to 4. We are starting from the right, that is y square. In this case y square, that is 4 square. 4 square is 16 and we are writing 6 and carry forwarding 1. This place is allocated only for single digit, that's why we are carry forwarding 1. Okay, next is 2xy, that is 2 into 8 into 4. We will get 64 and plus 1, that is carry forward 1. So total 65. We are writing 5 and carry forwarding 6. Last is x square, that is 8 square. 8 square is 64 and carry forward 6. 64 plus 6, 70. So answer is 56. I am explaining once more. First, starting from the right, 4 square, that is 16. We are writing 6 and carry forwarding 1. Then 2xy, 2 into 8 into 4, that is 64 plus carry forward 1. So we will get 65, writing 5 and carry forward in 6. 8 square is 64, 64 plus 6, that is carry forward. So total we get 70 and 84 square is 1756. Clear? Moving to the next, 67 square. We are taking x equal to 6, y equal to 7. Starting from the right, 7 square. 7 square is 49. Writing 9 and carry forwarding 4. 2xy, 2 into 6 into 7. That is 84 plus carry forward 4. 80, we will get 88. Writing 8 and 8 carry forward. 6 square is 36. 36 plus 8, 44. So 67 square we will get 4489. Clear? Moving to next, 98 square. 8 square is 64. Writing 4 and carry forward in 6. 2 into 9 into 8, that is 144. 144 plus 6, 150. 150 writing 0 and 15 carry forward. 8 square is 81. 81 plus 15, that is 96. Clear? For finding the square of 98, we have a very easiest method. I will give the annotation on the upper right corner. You can watch from the last slide is do it yourself. You need to find the square of 68 and 45 and comment down below in this video. And 45 square, one of the best method, is also included in the annotation and also in the end screen. You can watch from there. Thank you. Thanks for watching.